So I deveined, peeled my shrimp. They're all clean. So I'm bringing the water to a boil to add the pasta. Penne pasta is what I'm doing. Salt and a little bit of oil, not too much because I don't want the sauce, whatever I make, to slip off the pasta. So not that much oil. So I'm seasoning the shrimp with jerk sauce, Old Bay, pink Himalayan salt, black pepper, and that much of the jerk sauce. So in the cast iron skillet, I'm going to cook the shrimp on both sides for about 3 minutes. I'm just cooling my pasta off with, so I can stop cooking with cool water in the strainer. I'm going to throw some of this in there, crab meat. In that same pan with the seasoning from the shrimp, I'm putting a little bit of olive oil, and then I'm going to put the hot Italian shrimp in there. So I'm going to add a little bit of Old Bay and a little bit of jerk seasoning to the crab, just to put a little stink on it, just a little bit for like 30 seconds in the seasoning of the pan. In a pan of butter and oil, I'm adding my bell peppers. Add 3 cloves of garlic. I'm adding green onions. So I'm gonna pour half of each in here and see how that turns out. I'm gonna season this. I'm gonna put a little bit of this in here. A little smoked paprika. Throw a little bay leaf off in that thing. For shits and giggles, throw a little emerald in there. For a salt factor, throw a little adobo in there. I'm gonna throw these cheeses in there just to see what's up. I don't know if I'm gonna use that one, but I'm definitely gonna put this and that in there. Definitely gonna do spinach up in here. I actually put the rest of the coconut milk and the rest of the heavy whipping cream in here since I put that spinach in there. And then I just went back in with all my seasonings again since I doubled the liquid. Now I'm going to start adding my cheeses and I'm going to turn it on low. So I didn't end up adding this, but I added the full bags of the other 2, Parmesan and mozzarella. Pouring in my pasta. Adding in my shrimp. Adding in my sausages. Honey, we cannot let that shrimp and sausage seasoning and juice go to waste. I'm going to scrape all that in there. Pepper and green onions. I did not put a lot in here, but I did put that whole thing of spinach in here though. I do not like green peppers, red peppers. I don't like bell peppers, and I don't like green onions. So I didn't put a lot in here. But I did put that whole thing of spinach in here. I love spinach. So now it's time to add that crab meat that I sauteed up earlier, warmed up earlier. And I'm done. You hear that sound? And it's done. Just gotta let my daughter taste it and see how I did for my first time mixing crab together.